Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Now you're watching this video because you're looking for a working method to get free Microsoft rewards points. And that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you. I'm going to show you today how to get 100,000 Microsoft rewards points for completely free using a simple code that you can redeem directly within the Microsoft Rewards website. So let's get into it, guys. Use your mobile phone and open up an internet browser and just follow all of the instructions that I show you today. You need to go to this website, guys, www.topdogcodes.com. So make sure you spell it correctly. Obviously I can't type, but yeah, basically go to Top Dog Codes, go to the search bar, type Microsoft, and you're looking for the free Microsoft Rewards points page. Tap on See More, scroll down. You can choose between a 100,000 free Microsoft Rewards points code or a $100 gift card. Obviously we're focusing on the points, so tap Show Code. This is going to pop up, guys. You need to unlock your personal code that's going to supply you with 100,000 points. Obviously these codes are quite valuable and desirable, so you need to unlock your personal code. I'm not going to do it in this example. I've already done it loads of times, so I want to save the codes for you guys. But you're going to tap Unlock Code, and then you're going to see a new screen once this reaches 100%. And it's going to tell you exactly how to unlock your code. It takes around 5 to 10 minutes. Just need to verify yourself by completing a couple of these like free tasks. But yeah, really easy. Go to topdogcodes.com. And this is definitely the best and easiest method for you to get your free Microsoft points. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button. Leave a comment below, subscribe, all that cool stuff.